heading down to Hebron. I hate having a 3:30 delivery because you always get out of there just at rush hour, just in time for that morning damn rush hour.
In a quarter mile, slide right on East Dixie Drive. In 800 feet, slide right on East Dixie Drive.
There's the Popo station for West Carrollton Police. Looking forward to the weekend. Going to hook my linear up to my CV. I got a 350 watt kicker that Amy bought me for my birthday. And I mean, she spent $350 on it. It's $100 a watt. Or $1 a watt, I mean. So, I hook that up. And get to take my daughter Lacey, and she got her temps. Get to teach her how to drive. So far, I've helped Amy, my daughter Amanda,
keep to the left on
Grace,
Drive.
And now Lacey. Holly, you got to get your temps so Dad can teach you how to drive. Love my girls. Love my son. Love all my kids. They awesome. Oh Lord, I've been working my ass off lately, guys. I got to get this YouTube channel going. I don't know why I've had 5 people unsubscribe in the last week. I don't know, I guess I just keep offending people somehow, but hey, I just call it like it is. If I offend you, I apologize, you know. But I am a diehard conservative Republican. I wouldn't call me that. More of an independent. I mean, I would have voted for Bill Clinton. But I just call it like it is. You know what I'm saying? I just like to be honest. You don't want to know what I think? Don't ask me.
Take the entrance to the right on I-75 South.
Alright, we're going to get on the freeway. I don't know if this camera will set on that holder. I'll try.
In 800 feet, take the entrance to the right on I-75 South.
It sits there for a little bit, but I bet it falls down as soon as they hit a bump. My truck old blue, traded with this one. It didn't have the pull-on power this truck had. Believe it or not.
Continue on this road for 14 miles.
Make it up this bitch. 40,000 pounds of tortillas. A lot of Mexican tortillas, baby. Make 70 miles an hour before we hit the hill. We ain't even made 65 yet. Just hit 65. We should have got in it harder. Coming up the ramp. 67. 68. 69. We hit 70 before we hit the hill. Come on, baby. We're already up the hill. Now
Speed
down 70. We did it. Now we're dropping already. 69. 68. 67. It's a heavy motherfucker. 66. 65. There, this bitch dropping fast. 63. It's not even a big hill. A heavy trailer. Alright, one radio check. You went through his radio working. Sound okay? Hear me? Okay, copy that. I'm at the, I'm sure where I'm 47 yards stick going south. Copy that. Virginia, come back. Shit, I put my kicker on this bitch. I'll be hearing my ass all the way out in Arizona. Peace out.